Okay, follow-up video on the trailer. So this is what we got. Yeah, here's what's left of the old stuff and this dangling stuff. I still have to wire it, and I still have to paint this. I might clear coat it tonight just to keep it from rusting. But it's pretty much brute proof. I don't think anybody can really, like I say, they might back into a tree this way because it's sticking out a little bit. I really doubt that they're gonna, I guess it's anything's possible with the brutes using this trailer. But one thing I forgot to do, there's a side marker here that lights up, and I should have did it before I bent this piece. I should have drilled some holes or clearanced it. I think this isn't wired in or anything, so I can take this off, drill 3 big holes here, or maybe 1 big one. I don't think anybody's going to get pulled over for not having a side marker visible. On the other side, I got to do some more drilling because I forgot about the plate. The plate that is somewhere on the road somewhere that she doesn't have. But anyway, this will go. Probably have to bring this down to these other holes, or maybe I'll drill and tap some in the middle there. But regardless, that little white light under there is not going to show on the plate. It might. Maybe I don't have to drill it. Look at that. Maybe it's enough. We'll see. I might just clearance this a little bit. Put a notch in here so that little clear part of the light will definitely shine down on the plate that's not there. And here's what's left of the old taillights. And it's funny, they're wire nuts in there, and the kit gives you wire nuts. But I'm really against using wire nuts, but if I have to, I will. Anyway, we got to drill the holes for this side marker too. But you know, it's looking pretty indestructible. I don't think anybody's gonna. It's in line with the fender too, so if you crunch the fender, then you might hit that. Yeah, I think we're good. That's all I can do today. I'm getting tired. I gotta drill these holes. Okay. And yeah, Faulkner fixes all. Signing off.